Hello, this is Geoff with In-Depth Studies. Today we're in the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 7, verses 1 and 2. This is in that section called the Sermon on the Mount. And the Sermon on the Mount is describing what it's like to be in the real kingdom, a spiritual kingdom, not Israel under the Old Covenant, which is a picture of the kingdom. And so he says this in verses 1 and 2. Jesus is speaking. He says, "Do not judge, or you too will be judged. For in the same way you judge others, you will be judged. And with the measure you used, it will be measured to you." Now, this is one of the most common verses that's taken out of context, that as believers are never to make a judgment about somebody else. And that's just not true. Like in Galatians 6:1, it says, if someone's caught in a sin, you who are spiritual need to go seek to restore them. That is, you need to make a judgment that they are caught in their sin. But what is Jesus referring to here? He's referring to, that is, do not make a hypocritical judgment. That is, putting a standard on somebody else that you're not willing to put on yourself. And of course, that is hypocrisy. So hypocritical judgments. I think that's exactly what Jesus is directing us to here in warning. Do not judge, or you too will be judged. So we will be held to the same standard we hold to others. And of course, Scripture says we are to love our neighbor as ourselves. That is, we are to not be hypocritical. We are to submit to the same standard we require of somebody else. So this is a good passage to sort through. So if this has been helpful, check out more of Geoff's thoughts on YouTube, and there you can subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.